Hello students, welcome back to the online computer classes. Today we are going to see the practical of spreadsheet. Here we go with the practical given on page number 53. In your exercise part 1 table is given, so let's begin with that table. So let's put out the data. My first column is name, so I will write the data name. Then next is basic, in bracket it is given monthly, and in the next bracket it is given rupees. Leave the bracket. Moving to the next cell. See here my data it's not properly visible, so I will increase the length of this fifth row in which I have entered the data. So I'll show you a little bit zoom, and simply you have to change your cursor with this icon, okay, plus icon, and you have to simply drag it down by your mouse button and drop, okay. So here you can get your result. If you want to make a little bit modification, then you can also give the space, okay. आप थोड़ा सा स्पेस दे के इसको कंप्लीट कर सकते हो, और आप यहाँ पे इसको आई विल माई माउस कर्सर अगेन, यहाँ पे मैं लेके चाहती हूँ, इसको थोड़ा सा और कर देती हूँ ऊपर, ठीक है. एंड here I go. Okay, now come to the next part, HRA. Sorry, 2017. See, if you have such type of problem, okay, इस तरह की का प्रॉब्लम हो तो आप एक काम करना, you have to go to the wrap text option, okay, जो मैंने ऑलरेडी सिलेक्ट करके रखा है. wrap text का मतलब होता है कि whatever you it will make all contents visible within a cell by displaying it on multiple lines, okay. आपने multiple line जो पूरा कंटेंट एक लाइन एक सेल में नहीं आ सकता है तो उसको मल्टीपल लाइन में वो कन्वर्ट कर देता है, ठीक है. So here give one space, then come to the next column. Here we have to find out the total salary, ठीक है. अब एक काम करेंगे हम लोग, यहाँ का जो डेटा है ना, इसको कॉपी करके विल यूज़ कंट्रोल C ऑप्शन, और इसको K सेल में K5 में कॉपी करेंगे. सो यूज़ कंट्रोल V फ्रॉम द कीबोर्ड, ओके, और इसको हम लोग डिलीट कर देंगे. अब यहाँ पे मैं एक और कॉलम ले लेती हूँ जिसको मैं नाम देती हूँ HRA इन ब्रैकेट न्यू, ओके. ये किस लिए हमने क्रिएट किया है, बिकॉज परसेंटेज ऑफ बेसिक जो HRA का है वो हम लोग इस वाली कॉलम में कैलकुलेट कर देंगे, ठीक है, और उसके बाद उसका टोटल लेंगे. देन माय नेक्स्ट कॉलम इज बोनस. राइट डाउन which is percentage of increase, percentage of increase, okay. So yes, here I have completed. Now if suppose I want to make some formation, मुझे इसमें कुछ formatting करना है, कुछ थोड़ा बहुत इसको सुंदर दिखाने के लिए, तो आप सेल स्टाइल्स में चले जाओ. इट लुक्स कूल, ओके. ओके, सो नाउ विल एंटर द डेटा. अब हम लोग फटाफट से डेटा एंटर कर लेंगे. सो माय फर्स्ट डेटा इज शिरोम. So yes students, here I have entered all the given datas, okay. Bonus is still remaining, but let's see. Here we'll find new HRA, okay. So for that the percentage of basic we are basically calculating here. So here we'll put the one formula. So go to the formula bar, and so here in formula bar we will write the formula equal to G6 into H6 upon 100, okay. So G6 multiplied by H6 upon 100, so we will get the result 500. Okay, that is what our new HRA is. Now you can have to find out the new HRA for the other employees. So for that you will simply put your cursor left right bottom corner of your cell and you simply drop it down, and here you will get the new HRA for other employees. Okay students, with the same you can also have another method in which you can apply the formula, like you can not require the another new HRA column. Other than that, you can do one thing. You can also go with the equation G6 plus G6 into H6 into 0.01 plus I6. Okay, so in one formula only you will get the total salary. This formula you can apply in total salary of 2017, which is K6 field. Okay, so now here we have found the new HRA. Now we will add all this in total salary column. So in total salary you will get the equation equal to sum G6 comma I6 comma J6. Okay, so after putting the enter we will have a result which is 5950. Okay, now for the other cell you can simply drag and drop it down like previous we have done, and you will get the result for the other cells. So here we go. Now I have inserted the bonus column from the book, and now we will have to find out the percentage of increase. So to find percentage of increase, we'll have the formula. Here we have the increment value is 1200. Okay, so first of all let's find out the total salary of 2018, that we have already found out like previously done method. Now percentage of increase 1200, so how much percentage is increased in our salary? So for that we'll make the formula. So for that we will have the formula equal to, which cell is your different cell? This one. So L6. अब L6 को हम लोग डिवाइड करेंगे फ्रॉम द टोटल सैलरी ऑफ 2017. ओके, K6, और इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 100 से. ठीक है, so you will get the result 20.16% of increment you will have, and will simply drag and drop it down for the other results, right? So this way you can make the formula and you can have the table.